Hey everyone, it's Megan with Crafty Planner Lover here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of February 27th through March 5th in my social media planner. This is actually a new cover that I have just temporarily for the month of March until my new cover comes in from Planning with A Designs. So this is actually from the, if I can get it, the Bloom seasonal vertical planner from the Happy Planner, and I just flipped the cover on the other side. But I am going to be using this until my Planning with A Designs cover comes in, and when it does, I will change it on camera with you guys so you can see the beautiful St. Patrick's Day / March cover that I have planned for this month. I'm also going to be using some new items from Planning with A Designs. Now, if you guys saw my previous video where I shared the haul items from Planning with A Designs, I did mention that she has closed her store for, at the current moment, for stickers, and she only has covers on her website. So these are actually items that she was preparing to release, and then they ended up not happening, but I still really, really love these stickers, and they're beautiful. And then I think this came from a shop. I don't remember what shop it was from, but this little rainbow kind of design I thought fit really well with the stickers, so I'm going to possibly use this. I haven't quite decided yet, but we're going to go ahead and jump into March. How is it already March? It's crazy. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with the spread. I think I'm going to start with this. In previous months or previous weeks, I had done something different with the layout of my spread, and I've really been liking it. So I think I'm going to stick with it. But the first thing I want to do is take this paper and make it a little thinner. So I'm going to take this little, I don't want it to be as thick as it is right now because this is cardstock that I'm using for my spread. So I'm going to make this a little thinner by peeling off some of the protective layers on the page that it has. Alright, so I'm thinking of starting at the bottom here. So let's do, I guess we can just rip it. There's no harm in that, right? Just to see how it'll turn out. That's not bad, actually. I like that. Okay, let me go ahead and get it glued. Alright. And then I'm also thinking of doing a little bit here too. I don't know though. I guess we can try it. There's no harm in trying it. That's not what I meant to have happen, but it's fine. That actually might work better though. So we'll start with that. Alrighty, and then I think it's time to add this long box here for a little bit of decoration. And maybe, do I want to do this? We'll hold off on this tiny piece because I do kind of want a little bit here. And I know that in previous weeks I had wanted this to be my Simply Sweetly Crafty posts, but I have something else that I'm going to use that for instead, and we will go with that. I'm sure that it is not necessary for me to do this specifically, but I enjoy using things that aren't technically for spreads. That is just my cup of tea. That's what I like to do. Alright, I think for now we're done with the rainbow cardstock paper, and we're going to start adding other things. So because I covered that up, I do need to add another box for my Simply Sweetly Crafty posts. So I'm going to add this box here. And I think I'm going to stick with the same color. Just got to make sure I don't go over the holes there. And then, let's see, so this is for my pods. I do need a filming and editing list. So let's go ahead and get that down as well. We're going to do one of each. So I'm going to do a filming list here. I'm going to use this sticker from Redhead Stickers for the list. And then, yeah, we're going to do the editing list here. Also from Redhead Stickers, the script. Okay. And then I'm thinking we're going to take these two boxes and use these for tracking any important dates or anything that I need to remember right there. All right, now we're going to move over to this side. So I just realized that this sticker is hilariously crooked and we're going to have to leave it there because it doesn't want to do anything. Okay. So, Tuesday is $2 Tuesdays. So we are going to do, how about this? We're going to put this sticker there. And then take this one for $2 Tuesdays because there's a lot of boxes right there. And then this is $1 Fridays and Redhead Stickers new releases. And then I'm thinking that's it as far as events. However, this week I am going to have a lot of important things to get done. So let's do a to-do list here. And we'll put a today to-do list here just because I don't have too much on the other sides. And then we're going to grab my tweezers and I'm going to use these bullets. For my today list. And then the green ones for my to-do list. And then over here, I'm going to, I think I'm going to use alternate colors for the filming and editing list. I do really like these bullets and I want to use them. Alrighty, so I'm thinking that that's all we need for these, except maybe one more for important. I'm thinking that's probably a good idea. So I'm going to use this last, actually, I'm going to use these two boxes here for important. Put it right there. Perfect. That way I have some important items on here as well. And then I'll save the rest of these for another time. And then I think the only other thing that I want to do is to add all of this deco and maybe line the page a little bit more with some more of this the journaling card. I don't know what it's called. That's what we're going to call it, the journaling card. So let me go ahead and do that now so that I have the items. I also need to add the dates too. This week's plan with me and my social media planner. I absolutely love the way this turned out, and I really liked the addition of the card. Honestly, I wasn't quite sure if it would fit well with the style of the spread, but no, I definitely think it added that perfect touch, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. If you enjoyed this video and you want to check out more of my social media planning, don't forget to check out the social media playlist that I have. It will be linked in the description box and in the cards up in the screen. So if you guys are interested in checking that out, it has all different kinds of social media planning. If you do like this video, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below what your favorite items in the spread were. If you guys have seen any of my other Planning with A Designs items, let me know what your favorite one was, because I really like this, and I think it's the perfect introduction to spring and the March, you know, green St. Patrick's Day spreads without too much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!